Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ifeanyi and I make easy to follow sewing and no sewing DIY videos here on YouTube. Please check out my previous videos for more interesting and easy to follow DIYs, both sewing and no sewing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this easy, simple, beautiful, versatile turban. It was made with an Ankara fabric, which is a cotton fabric, and also I added a velvet band just to allow some stretch to it. Enjoy the video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, can you please consider subscribing to our channel? This is an indication that we are doing well and serving you well, and also encourage us to do more and upload more videos for you guys. Now let's get started with the turban. So lay your fabric flat, and as you can see, I used an 18 by 28 measurement on the fabric, but you should ensure to measure your own head to be able to apply that on your fabric, as we all have different sizes of heads. Fold into two, create an arc like I'm doing, and then cut. Now for the band, I am using a velvet fabric to create a band just because the main fabric is a cotton one and doesn't stretch. So the velvet fabric will allow some stretch to it and allow the turban to fit in nicely on the head. So just cut out a long strip of velvet fabric and fold into two, attach to the turban, and sew. So I sew the center of the turban just to make it look nicer, and also it helps elevate the shape of my head. This part is optional. Attach the band onto the turban and sew. bow for the turban, please watch carefully how to achieve this. Now, this is where you'll be using the hand needle to sew up everything. Using this technique will enable you get a nice gathering on the turban. Upon creating the gathering, you can then go ahead and sew on the bow onto the turban. And after this, you're done. And there you have it. Now you've made your own turban. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. I appreciate all those who have already subscribed, and click on the notification bell just to be notified whenever I post a new video. And until see you in my next video, goodbye.